I took that off. You ready for this? Super easy. I'm gonna put it back on and show you how easy this is. But this is what? A Kona. So let's get back to push, push, push. It is all these little guys. Look at this. Centers just pop out. All around the bottom as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I did take off an extra one in the corner. You don't have to, but that's the one you definitely gotta take off. This one. So let me put it back on and I'll show you. See? These snap in. You see? Those white clips right there? I grabbed it from here or here just to actually get good leverage. There is one screw right there, which is this one. Phillips or 10. And that's it. These three are right here. 1, 2, 3, like I showed you before. And then you just pull. Same with this side. Same thing. Just pull this out of the socket. Look at this. See, this over here comes towards you. So pulling, obviously with both hands, is easier. But you see, it pops it out of the socket right there. Those tabs pull out. Obviously, those are all down here. They're all right there. One. And what's cool is, I've noticed this little hole is so you can hold it in place while you snap them in place. So you put this in and you hold it here like this and you snap them in place. I think this is the one I didn't have to take out, but I took out anyway. It's just for the little flap, but it's alright, no big deal. So there you go. Let me pull it off again. Show you how easy. You just want to see, and what's nice is nothing breaks. It's just the style. It sounds like it's breaking, but it's not. Same thing on this side. It's already out over here. So there's a clip. I'm gonna get this out on the ground again. So the lone clip right here, which I think is all data, because look at this. You got 3 wires doing all this. No way, dude. Look at this. I guess it all goes into this little thing. Look. You got 5 wires here, 3 wires here, and it all goes to this into 3 little wires. That's crazy. But either way, I'm not going to unplug it, but I'll show you how to do it. Squeeze in the corner and pull the black. It moves. It swivels. You see? There it is. That's it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.